basic investment trading. Stock. Imagine you buy a share of Brouhaha Coffee stock. You now own a tiny piece of the company, and its performance can impact the value of your share. Share price. If the current price of a Brouhaha Coffee share is 100 rupees, it means you need 100 rupees to buy one share. This price fluctuates based on supply and demand. Market capitalization or market cap. If Brouhaha Coffee has 10 million outstanding shares means total shares issued and each share is 100 rupees. The market cap would be 1 billion rupees means 10 million rupees shares of 100 rupees per share. Bid-ask spread. You might see a bid price of 98 rupees and an ask price of 102 rupees for a share. The spread is the difference. 102 rupees, 98 rupees equals 4 rupees, indicating the gap between what buyers are willing to pay and sellers are willing to accept. Order. You can place a market order to buy a share of Brouhaha Coffee at the current market price, or a limit order to buy only if the price falls below a certain point, say, 95 rupees. Portfolio. Your portfolio is your collection of investments. You might hold shares in Brouhaha Coffee, another company like Tech Titans, and a mutual fund to diversify your holdings. Market trends. Bull market. Imagine a period where most stock prices are steadily increasing. This is a bull market, and investors are generally optimistic about the future. Bear market. Conversely, if stock prices fall consistently for an extended period, it's a bear market. Investors might be cautious and look for ways to protect their capital. Volatility. The price of Brouhaha Coffee might jump from 100 rupees to 110 rupees one day and then drop to 95 rupees the next. This significant price fluctuation represents high volatility. Liquidity. If you can easily buy and sell shares of Brouhaha Coffee at any time without significant price impact, it indicates high liquidity. Conversely, if there are few buyers or sellers, it's less liquid, making it harder to buy or sell quickly. Company performance. Dividend. Brouhaha Coffee might decide to distribute a portion of its profits to shareholders as a dividend. This could be a fixed amount per share or a percentage of profits. Earnings per share (EPS). Let's say Brouhaha Coffee earns a total profit of 100 million rupees and has 10 million shares outstanding. The EPS would be 10 rupees means 100 million rupees total profit per 10 million shares. Price to earnings ratio, PE ratio. If the share price of Brouhaha Coffee is 100 rupees and the EPS is 10 rupees, the PE ratio is 10 means 100 rupees share price per 10 rupees EPS. This ratio can be used to compare a company's valuation to its profitability. Annual report. Brouhaha Coffee publishes an annual report detailing its financial performance, operations, and future plans. This information helps investors make informed decisions. Investment strategies. Long investment. You believe Brouhaha Coffee has strong growth potential. So, you buy and hold shares for the long term, aiming to benefit from future price appreciation and potential dividend income. Short selling risky strategy. This is a more advanced strategy. You borrow shares of Brouhaha Coffee if you think the price will fall. You then sell the borrowed shares immediately, hoping to buy them back later at a lower price to return them and profit from the difference. Remember, short selling involves significant risk and is not suitable for all investors. Diversification. To minimize risk, You don't put all your eggs in one basket. By investing in different asset classes, stocks, bonds, real estate and industries, technology, healthcare, consumer staples, you spread your risk across the market. Other important terms: IPO, initial public offering, a company's first public offering of its shares. FPO, follow-on public offering, an existing publicly traded company issuing new shares to raise additional capital. Mutual fund, a professionally managed investment pool that invests in a variety of securities. ETF, exchange-traded fund, a basket of securities that trades on a stock exchange like a single stock. Broker, a financial professional who assists investors in buying and selling securities. Sure, here's a breakdown of some key trading terms with examples to illustrate their usage. Now, let's discuss some key trading terms. Order types. Market order. Imagine you see Brouhaha coffee stock trading at 100 rupees per share and urgently want to buy 100 shares. You place a market order. The order will be executed at the best available current price, which could be 100 rupees or slightly higher depending on market conditions. Limit order. You believe Brouhaha coffee has strong potential but don't want to pay more than 95 rupees per share. You place a limit order to buy 100 shares at 95 rupees or lower. The order will only be executed if the price falls to 95 rupees or below. Stop loss order. You already own 100 shares of Brouhaha coffee bought at 80 rupees each. To limit potential losses if the price drops significantly, you place a stop loss order to sell your shares if the price falls below 75 rupees. Take profit order. You bought 50 shares of Tech Titans at 200 rupees each. If the price rises to 250 rupees, you might place a take profit order to sell your shares and lock in a profit of 25 rupees per share. Profit of trading strategies. Day trading. A day trader might analyze charts and indicators for Brouhaha coffee and see a potential price surge in the morning. They might buy shares early, aiming to sell them later in the day at a higher price to profit from the short-term movement. Swing trading. A swing trader might notice a several-day upward trend in Tech Titan stock price. They might buy shares, hold them for a few days or weeks until the trend weakens, and then sell them for a profit on the overall swing. Position trading. You believe Tech Titans is a company with solid long-term growth prospects. You might buy and hold shares for months or years, aiming to benefit from the company's future success and potential dividend income. Technical analysis. Moving averages. A moving average smooths out price fluctuations and can indicate potential support or resistance levels. If the 50-day moving average for Brouhaha coffee is consistently rising, it might suggest an overall uptrend. Support and resistance. Imagine Brouhaha coffee stock price has repeatedly bounced back from around 90 rupees and struggled to break above 110 rupees. These levels could be considered support and resistance zones, respectively. Margin trading. High-risk strategy. Use with caution. Let's say you have 5,000 rupees but want to buy 10,000 rupees worth of Tech Titan shares. You could borrow the additional 5,000 rupees from your broker on margin. If the stock price increases, you can magnify your profits. However, if the price falls, you owe your broker money and may be forced to sell your shares at a loss to cover the margin loan. Remember, these are simplified examples, and actual trading can be more complex. It's important to research thoroughly, understand the risks involved, and develop a trading strategy that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates.